Matumbo, also known as tripe, has been vetted as Jahe's closest ally, loved and hated in equal measure for all sorts of reasons. This recipe was inspired by Kaluhi. Full recipe on the recipe blog. Link is in the description below. Let's make some saucy and spicy matumbo, and for that we shall require a kilogram of pre-boiled tripe, pounded garlic cloves, whole chilies, thinly sliced red onions, thinly sliced tomatoes, paprika, maziwa mala, dhania stems for frying, dhania leaves for garnishing, and salt to taste. Start by preparing the matumbo for boiling by thoroughly washing them under running water till the remnant water is clear. You want to be very watchful at this point before you set up camp in your washroom later. I kid you not, you will be a marathon runner in there. Once clean, rinse and put in a pot. Add clean water till it covers the tripe and boil till tender. This may take up to 2 hours. I recommend using an efficient and affordable cooker. While the tripe boils, it's time to chop up the other ingredients. Remember, a sharp kitchen knife is the safest knife. Check on the tripe occasionally, and once the water has dried up, add a cup of maziwa mala, cup of water, and the whole chilies. Let the mix boil till all the liquid dries up, then set the tripe aside to commence frying. Into an empty pan, add some cooking oil and set the heat to high. Proceed with adding the onions and cooking them till soft and fragrant before adding the dhania stems and cooking them for a minute. Then, go in with the pounded garlic. This should cook for another minute or till the garlic turns golden. Reduce the heat if necessary and make sure you do not burn the garlic. Its bitter taste will ruin the meal. Now add the tomatoes, salt and paprika. Adjust the heat to high and proceed to cook into a paste before adding the pre-boiled matumbo. Lower the heat, stir thoroughly, add a little water for the sauce, small water, then cover and simmer for 3 to 4 minutes for the flavors to blend. That's it. Turn off the cooker, add in the finely chopped dhania, and stir. Your meal is now ready to serve. Pair with a starch of your choice. Ugali suits best. Try the recipe and share your results. I'd love to see what you guys whip up.